Dear students, today we are starting another lesson, C part lesson, first unit. The title is I Will Do It. I Will Do It tells about determination, dedication, and uncompromising nature of a person. Who is that person? He is Narayana Murthy. His name is Narayana Murthy. He is the owner of Infosys company. Here, the lesson is in the form of biography. Biography means a life history written by another person. Whose history is written? Narayana Murthy's history is written. Whom? Her name is Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is the wife of Narayana Murthy. Now we go through the first paragraph. He was short. He refers to whom? He means Narayana Murthy. Narayana Murthy was a short person, but he was a sharp person. Sharp means very intelligent. Its opposite is dull. He was the brightest boy in the class. Brightest boy, it is in superlative degree. Bright, brighter, brightest. Before that, we have to use the definite article the. His seniors used to ask him to solve their difficulties in science. He was very intelligent, I have already told. He was very intelligent in science and maths. He knows physics very well. His senior students used to ask him to solve the problems in science. He could have gone unnoticed in a crowd because he was short. ఎక్కువ మందిలో ఉన్నప్పుడు అతను ఎవరు గుర్తించలేరు. ఎందుకు గుర్తించలేరు? హీ వాజ్ షార్ట్. బట్ వన్స్ యూ ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఫిజిక్స్ ఆర్ మ్యాథ్స్, దెర్ వాజ్ ఎ స్పార్క్ ఇన్ హీజ్ ఐస్. Spark means taking good ideas. His eyes were very bright. He could grasp theories of science faster than the speed of light. The speed of light is very speed one, but his mind is working more than the speed of light. That means he was very intelligent person. Now, he came from a poor family, but it is an educated family. You have to know, though he came from a poor, he was in educated family. His father was a high school teacher and avid reader of English literature. What was his father? His father was a high school teacher, particularly English teacher. He had very interest in reading English literature. He reads Shakespeare dramas, Gitanjali poems, and all the literature in English. Like all the boys in the class, he was trying to get admission into some engineering college. He wanted to study B.Tech. Today, all the students are very interested to join B.Tech. In the same way, Narayan Murthy and his friends were very interested to join in an engineering college. The brighter ones wanted to study in the Indian Institute of Technology. Indian Institute of Technology, or we shortly say IIT. IIT, Indian Institutes of Technology. For that, there was an entrance test for IIT. To join in IIT course, the student must write an entrance test. Entrance test. Along with his friends, this boy refers to whom? Narayana Murthy. Narayana Murthy applied to appear for the test. What is the name of the test? the entrance test of IIT. What is the name of the test? Entrance test for IIT. They did not have any special books or coaching in those days. Nowadays, we can see so many coaching institutes. In Markapur, there is a race, mice. In those times, there were no institutions, there were no books. So, students should study the subject and the content according to the syllabus of the entrance test. All these IIT aspirants would sit below the shade of a stone mandap close to Chamundi Hills. Chamundi Hills. It is a temple. It is a temple. It is in Mysore. Chamundiswari is the goddess. There, all the students used to sit in the temple area under the shade of trees, while the others struggled to solve the problems in the question paper. He would smile shyly and solve them in no time. Without taking time, he can solve the problems of maths and physics. That is his brightness, because he was the brightest student in the class and school. He sat below a tree and dreamt of studying at IIT. While he was sitting on the bench, he used to dream. He got the seat. He entered the IIT course. He was listening the lecturers of the teachers. So he was dreaming like that. It was the ultimate aim for any bright boy at that age, as still is now. Nowadays, also, students are very interested to join IIT. He was then only 16 years of old. When he was writing the entrance test for IIT, his age was 16. That means he passed 10th class. After that, they have to attend an entrance test for IIT. The D day came. Here, D day, very, very important. Important day. What is the importance of the day? Here in this lesson, it is the date of entrance examination. D day means the date of entrance examination. The date came. He came to Bangalore, stayed with some relatives, and appeared for the entrance examination. Where he was writing entrance examination, he was writing in Bangalore. Where did he stay? He stayed in the house of his relatives. He appeared for the entrance examination. That means he wrote the examination in grand manner. He did very well, but he would say only okay when asked. When we asked him about the entrance examination, how you have completed the examination, then he says, okay. It was the opposite when he came to food. When he said okay, it implied bad. When he said good, it implied okay. When he said excellent, it implied good. His principle was never to hurt anyone. That is the quality of Narayana Murthy. The IIT entrance examination result came. He had passed with high rank. What a delight for any student when the results came. The result was with a high rank. Then the student's happiness is a very thrilled one. So he was thrilled. He went to his father. At the time, his father was reading a newspaper. Then he went to his father and he told, Anna, I have passed the examination. Father, I have passed the examination. Then the father said, well done, my boy. Next, Narayan Murthy said, I want to join IIT. Here you have to note join, join IIT. జాయిన్ అనే పదమునకు వెంటనే ఇన్ రాదు, జాయిన్లోనే ఇన్ ఉంది. సో యూ నీడ్ నాట్ రైట్ జాయిన్ ఇన్ ఐఐటి, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ రాంగ్. ఐ వాంట్ టు జాయిన్ ఐఐటి. Then his father stopped reading the paper. He lifted his head, looked at the boy, and said with a heavy voice, uncontrolled voice, what did he say, my son? You are a bright boy. You know our financial position. I have 5 daughters to be married off and 3 sons to educate. Our family is a middle class family. I have to give food and shelter and education to the remaining students also. I have to be married 5 daughters and 3 sons to educated. That means totally the family is 10 members. I am a salaried person. I cannot afford your expenses at IIT. I am unable to pay the expenses of IIT course. You can stay in Mysore and study as much as you want. That means I am not interested to join you in IIT. This part is very, very important. In examination, you will get a conversation. They will give some idea. The results came. Narayan Murthy went to his father and told about his desire to join IIT. Then write what is the conversation between Narayan Murthy and his father in joining IIT course. This part is very important. The notes will be given later part. Next para. Indeed, it was a difficult situation for any father. His father was very worried. No, to his bright son. His son was a very bright one, but he could not offer him to join IIT. But circumstances were like that. It was common then for a man to be a single earning member with a large family depended on him. పెద్ద కుటుంబాన్ని పోషిస్తున్న వాళ్ళు ఇలానే ఇబ్బందులు పడుతూ ఉంటారు. ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ కామన్. నౌ we go to another part. His father was very sad that he had to tell the bitter truth to his son, but it could not be helped. He was unable to join Narayan Murthy in IIT. The boy had to understand the reality. The teenager was disappointed. He was worried. His dreams had burned into ashes. అతని కలలన్నీ కలలైపోయాయి, బూడిద పాలైపోయాయి. He was very deep, sad position. He was so near to fulfill his fondest hope because he got a good rank. The college would join him compulsorily, but his father was not interested to send him to IIT course in Madras. His heart sank in sorrow. His heart was full of sorrow. It is very, very disappointed position to Narayan Murthy. He did not reply. He never shared his unhappiness or helplessness with anybody. He simply stand there. He was an introvert by nature. Introvert means a person who does not reveal his sorrowness or happiness to others. He did not tell about his pains to his friends or relatives. That quality is introvert. Very, very important. Introvert means the person who cannot reveal his pains to other persons. Here, Narayan Murthy got pain because His father did not allow him join IIT in Madras, but he did not tell this bitter news to any other person. His heart was bleeding, but he did not get any angry with anybody. మనమైతే చేతకాని వాడి ఎందుకు కన్నావు ఇట్లాంటి మాటలు వస్తాయి, కానీ అతని తండ్రిని ఏమాత్రం అనలేదు. దడి ద డే కేమ్. హిజ్ క్లాస్మేట్స్ వర్ లీవింగ్ ఫర్ మద్రాస్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ చెన్నై. They were taking a train from Mysore to Madras. They have shared good years in school and college together. They have studied 10th class and intermediate in a school. They were good friends. They went to station. He went to station to say goodbye and good luck to his friends for their future life. At the station, his friends were already there. They were excited and talking loudly. They were discussing about their new college. The noise was like the chirping of birds. కిలకిల రావాలు గోల చేస్తున్నట్టుగా ఉన్న శబ్దం వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు. వాట్ దే వర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ their new college and their branches of engineering. They were all excited and discussing their new hostels, new courses, etc. He was not part of it. He was simply stand there. Here he refers to Narayana Murthy. Narayana Murthy was not part of their discussion. He stood there silently. One of them refers to his friends. One of the friends of Narayana Murthy noticed Narayana Murthy and said, you should have made it. నువ్వు కూడా వచ్చుంటే బాగుండేది. You should have made it. Then Narayana Murthy did not reply. He only wished all of them. They waved at him as the train slowly left the platform. He stood there even after he could no longer see the train or the waving hands. He stand there and waved his hand to his friends. It was the June of 1962 in Mysore city. Monsoon had set in and it was getting dark. Here the word set in, it is a phrasal verb. Set in means started. Monsoon rains started. It was very dark and night time. It had started to drizzle. The climate was very cold. Yet he stood there motionless. Without a movement, he stood there. He was watching the train which was going from the railway station. He said to himself, without anger or jealousy, what? Said to himself, all students from the IITs study well and do big things in life. That means his friends could study very well and get good jobs, but it was not the institution. Ultimately, it is you and you alone who can change your life by hard work. That is his aim. The institution is not giving any ranks. When the students do hard work, they only get high ranks. So hard work is very, very important. Probably he was not aware that he was following the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita. He was not following Bhagavad Gita, but all his feelings and ideas are written in Bhagavad Gita. What is that word? Your best friend is yourself and your worst enemy is yourself. నీకు మిత్రులు నువ్వే, నీ శత్రువు కూడా నువ్వే. నువ్వు బాగా కష్టపడి చదువుకున్నట్టయితే గొప్పవాడి అవుతావు. నీవు సరిగా మనసు పెట్టకపోతే నీ చెడిపోవటానికి కూడా నీవే కారకుడు అవుతావు. నీ ఫ్యూచర్ లైఫ్ అనేది నీ మీదనే ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బెస్ట్ ఐడియా ఆఫ్ నారాయణమూర్తి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్? యువర్ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఈజ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ and your worst enemy is yourself. Here, yourself is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Later, he worked very hard. Here, I am pronouncing the word worked. The verb ending with K must be pronounced with T. Later, Narayanamurthy worked very hard and focused on one thing. What is that good thing? Never bothering about his personal life or comforts. He does not think of food and dress. He did not think about comfort, facilities. He did not feel. He shared his wealth with others. He never used the help of any caste, community, or political connections to go up in life. That is the best policy. He, even though he became the owner of Infosys company, he never traveled in aeroplanes and cars. He led a simple life. All his wealth was shared by him to others. He never used the help of any caste, community, or political connections to go up in life. జీవితంలో అభివృద్ధి చెందడానికి కులాలను, రాజకీయ పార్టీలను నమ్ముకోలేదు. కేవలం హార్డ్ వర్క్ నమ్ముకొని ఉన్నాడు. A son of a school teacher showed other Indians it is possible to earn wealth legally and ethically. This part is very important. What did Narayanamurthy showed other Indians? He showed other Indians it was possible to earn wealth legally and ethically. Ethically means by following values. He built a team of people who were equally good. He prepared a group. The group people are very intelligent as Narayanamurthy. He became the pioneer of India's software industry. Pioneer means he first started software. That industry is called Infosys industry of software. He started information technology wave. Today he became an icon of simplicity and uncompromising quality. Though he did not get IIT seat, he did not study IIT courses, but he worked hard and get good knowledge and fairness. Apart from being a philanthropist. Philanthropist means the person who devotes his knowledge and wealth to others. He really believes in the motto powered by intellectual and driven by values. What is the motto of Narayanamurthy? Powered by intellectual. Intellect means reasoning power, and most good knowledge is called intellectual or intellect. And he always followed good values, moral values. He did not cheat any others. He did not wanted any political jobs. He is none other than Nagavara Ramarao Narayanamurthy. What was the full name of Narayanamurthy? Nagavara Ramarao Narayanamurthy. Here you have a doubt. Ramarao and Narayanamurthy, what is it? Here Ramarao is the name of his father. In Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, it is used to write their father name before their name. So Nagavara is the house name or surname Nagavara, Ramarao father name, and his name is Narayan Murthy. So the full name of Narayan Murthy is Nagavara Rama Rao Narayana Murthy. He was the founder of Infosys, a leading IT company in the world. What is the name of his company? It is Infosys. What was the specialty of the Infosys? It is a leading IT company. Here you see the picture of Sudha Murthy. She is the author of this part of the lesson. Sudha Murthy, the wife of N. R. Narayan Murthy. N means Nagavara or Ramarao Narayan Murthy. He is an Indian social worker and author. Murthy began her professional career as a computer scientist and engineer. She is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. She has founded several orphanages, participated in rural development efforts, supported the movement to provide all Karnataka government schools with computer and library facilities. She was such a kind hearted person. She had crores of money. All the money was distributed to Karnataka schools. She provided computers and libraries to all government Karnataka schools and established the Murthy Classical Library of India at Harvard University. Murthy also teaches computer science. She was the teacher of computer science. She composed a fiction, Dollar Source. Dollar Source. The present story is a selection from one of her most successful stories, How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories. This is the information about Sudha Murthy. Now we move to another part. Here I am explaining the question paper model. With this, we completed 3 units, attitude and altitude. Every successful story is also story of so many failures. And today we completed I will do it. In examination, they will give reading comprehension. They will give a passage and ask questions. The format is as follows. First one, 1 to 5. A comprehension from A reading with 5 comprehension questions. They will give one paragraph and they will give 5 questions. Out of 5 questions, 2 questions are directly from the passage and the remaining 3 questions are in multiple choice. So we have to choose 3 answers from multiple questions. This carries 5 Next, 6 to 8 questions. B reading. In B reading, there are 2 parts, poetry and prose. In poetry, they will give a passage and give 3 questions with multiple choice answers. There is no direct questions. So, we have to write properly. Next, ninth and 10th. Ninth and 10th. It is also in B reading. B reading is only prose lessons. Every successful story is also a story of so many failures. Is prose. B reading prose. In this part, you will get 2 questions. They will give one paragraph, small paragraph, above 75 words, and they will give 3 multiple choice questions. After reading the passage, you have to follow the question and choose the right answer from 3 options. Next, the last one, C reading. See reading is today's lesson. That is, I will do it. They will give one paragraph and ask five questions. Two questions are direct questions and three are multiple choice question. In this in this line, you will get 15 marks. From A, B, C, you will get from A reading you will get 5 marks, and from B reading 5 marks, and C reading 5 marks. Totally comprehensions carries 15 marks. Now I will ask you one important part. Important part. They will give one paragraph. He was short and but sharp. Who is he? Who he refers to whom? Then you have to write he refers to Narayana Murthy. What is Narayana Murthy's father? Multiple choice. A high school teacher, a college lecturer, or IIT lecturer. You have to choose. His father was a high school teacher. So when you listen the lesson, you should give concentration. Listening is very, very important. In English, there is one link, that is LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. First, you have to listen the lesson and note the important point. Where was Narayan Murthy's father living? Was వచ్చింది కాబట్టి లివింగ్ చేయాలి. వేర్ వాజ్ నారాయణ మూర్తిస్ ఫాదర్ లివింగ్? హీ వాజ్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ మైసూర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ది idea of students after completing the intermediate course to join IIT course? What is the full form of IIT? Indian Institute of Technology. In this manner, you have to understand understand the lesson by listening it. With this, I conclude the lesson. We can discuss the remaining part of readings as a question format from another video. Thank you.